update for 2 to 3 weeks of my journey of I have 5 months to quit my stable job to become and pursue my dream career. So I've been approaching this very just like goal oriented. My last 2 videos that I dropped, they're very critical. They're very like, this is what I did, this is what I didn't do, this is my progress. And I kind of just wanted to be more relatable, and I want to be myself, and I don't want it to be very directional where the video is going to be going, because this is a journey. It's not going to be linear, it's not going to be perfect, and I want to also showcase some of my personality. I feel like whenever I'm not showing as much, you can't relate to the content, you're just relating to the results. So I'm just going to be myself. I'm not going to really I'm not gonna have most of these videos planned. You're gonna be spending the day with me. I'm gonna be staying at home, okay, at home. And we have some things that we need to knock out. I don't know if you could tell, but you know, the kitchen is very dirty, so I have to try to clean majority of it. I wanna definitely get my walk in, get my steps in for the day. I just wanted to do like a quick, let's not throw this over, a quick taste test of my jalapeno and cheese protein bagel that I made with cottage cheese. And then I put a little bit of avocado, 1 slice of bacon, an egg on top that I fried with just a little bit of butter. I'm still on my weight loss journey, so it's still on it. I've been cheating a lot lately, so I'm trying to get into more of like cooking the things that I really want. So I really wanted like a cheddar, bacon, egg, and cheese. I'm guilty, guys. I ain't perfect. It is very light and airy. I did add an egg to the dough mixture, so let's see. Gas. Need I say more? Gas. Gas. All right, so I'm gonna finish that off camera. I'm gonna be watching YouTube for a little bit, and then once I'm done eating, we're gonna get ready for the day, and then I'm gonna go over some of the things that I've learned, some of the things that I've accomplished within these 2 to 3 weeks, what's coming up, what are the next plans for the next 2 to 3 weeks or a week ahead of us, and I'll be updating you all that good and juicy stuff that I haven't posted in about a week or 2. So hang tight. Oh no. Here, I've been drinking a lot of energy drinks, so I think this is good. I haven't chosen my outfit for today. I don't know what my hair is looking like underneath this bonnet, guys. I did a wash and go on my old hair, so I know it's not gonna last as long as I want it to, and you know, you get what you pay for when you work on old hair instead of fresh hair, you know, washed, conditioned, moisturized. I worked on old crusty, old dry, gel product buildup, and just put more products on it. I don't have a lot of clothes to work with, honestly. I really need to do laundry too. Yeah, house is dirty and laundry is stacked up, so there's a lot of things that I need to do today. So let's figure out what we're gonna wear so we can get ready for the day, and that's the most important step. This is what we're working with. Looks really nice. Be ashamed to put it up and ruin it. start talking about the things that I've accomplished for these last 2 to 3 weeks. Usually I do upload like once a week, but because life has been hitting, I haven't. So I'm just gonna catch y'all up on where we left off. Okay, just to get y'all more up to date. So because I wasn't able to stay consistent on uploading on this platform, we just laid concrete in our backyard. I'm super excited now that we have the concrete down because we have a lot of things planned that we want to do in our backyard. But first we need to make sure there's enough dirt on the ground, everything's leveled out, everything's looking nice, and that, you know, I don't know, it's great. This is our house and it's just another addition. I have really been going to the gym consistently. I haven't been posting on my social medias very much. So the process of me quitting my job to pursue my career, this is something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, but also, which is kind of crazy, I got the opportunity to interview for an HR position job. I know, don't yell at me. Don't give me that look. Don't give me that look. I know we're trying to get out of corporate, but for me to be like going deep into corporate is gonna be harder for me. I know that. Okay, I get it. But this is a position I've been wanting for the longest because I genuinely love HR. I love what they do. I love everything about it. So if it means I get to make more money, have a very good career job to the point where, I don't know, we don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm thinking long term. I've always thought long term, but not short term to what I can do now to get myself in that position. So that's why I'm posting on YouTube. YouTube, I feel like it's gonna be the only platform that's gonna get me to where I need to be. Platform is such a passive income creative place that you can just generally get like a decent paycheck from, but it's your viewership. How many people are going to be watching it? How many people are interested in you? How many people are going to stay in tune and subscribe? So that's why I'm posting on here, because this is technically the only platform that's going to really help me get to pursuing my dreams a lot faster. So I'm not lacking, I'm not lazy. I am giving it thought. I have been feeling guilty for these last few weeks because I've been trying to put together and upload and record this video, but it just hasn't happened. And I feel like I can't be myself, but now I just want to make a video like this just to see how it's well received, okay? Even though I'm posting to try to get followers, try to get subscribers, likes and comments, at the end of the day, I really just want to be showing the person that I want to be on camera by the time I am able to be worthy of your time, of the advice and opinions that I'm able to give on here, my experience that it's going to add value into your life, to have the courage to do what I'm doing right now. So I'm really hoping that, you know, in the back of my mind, yeah, it would be nice to have this job, but if it doesn't happen, I'm not tripping because I have my own plans that I have, and it's not like I really want it. I did at one point, but now I'm just very neutral to like whatever God tells me is meant for me right now, I will receive. If I do not, I am not tripping, but I will be designatively hurt to know that they don't want me anymore, you know, or they didn't consider me as a good enough option. And that's why I'm doing this. But guys, do you understand this is the root of it? I know I'm talking a little bit, but just to wrap up everything, this is the root of it. I've always been defined by how well I work, but people don't want to put in the rewards and the worthiness in people that deserve certain positions. So I have constantly, job after job, I've left, I've came, I've left, and I came. Because if I'm not appreciated and you're just adding more work to the load, I'm gonna go somewhere else where somebody could pay me more money and actually appreciate what I'm doing. So now I'm at a point where I am working for a corporate business right now. I really am just moving around because there's a lot of opportunities to move around if I did want to increase my salary or just get a different position just to grow within the company. But I'm tired of people thinking that I'm not worthy when I know that I am. Do you get it? I'm sick of it. It's like whenever you have that one friend that's just like, whenever you're just doing something that you love, they're not fully supporting of it because they're like, hey, keep your feet on the ground because reality is gonna hit you and you're not gonna completely be able to do this. But we live in a life where we have internet money. We live in a life where anybody that posts anything can literally blow up and change their life in one day. Any opportunity, if it's online, if it's like doing films, if it's doing music, anything that you put out into this world can do well and then can completely change your life. So that's why I highly encourage myself and you guys too, that if you want to do anything, just put the effort towards it. You don't know how far you can actually go with certain things. So I'm just really excited about this next few weeks. I feel like my mind is going to be in like, hey, this is what I want to do for the rest of my life. The way that I'm going to sing on that stage is going to project like, this is me. This is who I want to be 100% of the time. But because I'm not, I have to suck it in, go to my day-to job, my 9-to-5 job, suck it in, get what I need to get done, and just hope that one day all this work is going to lead to something. Okay, so I've been talking your ear off so, just a little bit. I hope it was a little bit more inspirational and that you guys are, I don't know, looking more inward to like, you know what? Life is too short to not even try at least.